Here's how to reschedule a booking. On the left-hand side, come over and select Bookings. Find the booking you'd like to reschedule and select the 3 dots on the right-hand side. Then you'll click Reschedule Booking. A message window will pop up, prompting you to notify your client. Click Send Message so they can select a new available date and time. Another way to reschedule is to come over and click Bookings on the left-hand side, then select the booking you'd like to reschedule. Once the booking opens, you can select View Details on the right-hand side. From here, you can click Reschedule Booking. And then that same message pops up, prompting you to send a message for the booker to select a new date and time. As a service provider, you can't directly choose the new time on behalf of the booker. The booker must complete the reschedule flow. Alternatively, you can cancel the booking and the client can create a new booking themselves. If you're a booker looking to reschedule, you'll go through the same flow. You'll just select a new available date and time that works best for you and confirm your selection to update the booking.